Let's continue with number 5. We have 3 minus negative 8. So let's use our same change na pattern. So we copy 3, same. And this one is subtraction, magiging addition. And our negative 8 would become positive 8. Ano? 8. So 3 plus 8, like sign sila. So this is 11. Pareha sila positive. So diretso na nag-sign. Diretso na nag-add. And then sometimes po, mo po ang technique sa ako ang mga students before. Especially no, kung nagaling daghan na good kaayo, magtaas-taas imong problem ba na kanang hassle mag-sign change. So magamit sila sign triangle. So ilang mga 2 and 3. Tapos negative times negative. Signs lang. So negative times negative. Ang mabilin kay positive, copy 8. And this is 11. Next. 4 minus negative 6. So same. Change. And let's change. So we have 10. Again, kung gamitan og sign triangle 4. And then negative times negative is positive. And then copy 6. And same answer, 10. Use our SCC. So same, change, and ang negative 10. Ito na yung anak ron. May mo siya, positive 10. And this one, gamitan na natog laus. So, negative 2 plus 10, like or unlike signs? Unlike signs. So, since unlike, subtract. 10 minus 2 is 8. Unsa ang sign? Positive. Kaya mas dako ang 10. Very good. Next, same, change. Ang negative 3 kaya mahimong positive 3. Okay, so, like or unlike signs? Unlike. So let's subtract. So 9 minus 3 would be 6. And then copy the sign of the greater number. That would be negative. Same. Now this time, kani ang ato ang operation. So mahimo siya addition. Kasi mahitabo sa 15. Mahimo siya negative 15 kay positive man siya. Wala siya sign sa gilid. So let's check our laus. Like or unlike signs? Pareha silang sign. So i-add na to. 9 plus 15 is 24. And ang ilang sign is both negative. Next, we have same or keep. And then change. And ang 4, mahimo siya negative 4. Kaya i-change na to. Okay, like or unlike sign? Parehag sign ng negative 7 and negative 4. So we can add. 7 plus 4 is 11. Ang ilang sign is negative. Okay, if you have questions, just comment down below. But this time around, it's your turn. Again, answer key in the comment section. Comment your answer. And then, dumaya imong friend para nakikalalis. See you next time.